But we might be running out of gas.
Are you serious?
And we just ran out of gas.
Man. There's like nothing here. I don't think there's a single gas station near this mountain.
Why would there be a gas station on the mountain? I'm gonna go look for some help too.
Okay, we'll stake out here.
Okay. I'll be right back in like 20 minutes or something. Alright.
Good. We'll be waiting.
I'm a tree.
He's been gone for about a half an hour now.
Yeah. Dude, this sounded like Steve.
Yeah, it's good check.
Oh my god. Steve, Steve. Oh my god. I can still hear his voice, man. I can still hear his voice.
Save me.
Dude, he's gone. Let back to him. Let back.
I'm still alive. Help! Help!
Wait.
What?
How'd he die? That's obvious. Oh! This Dylan!
Oh my god.
Dylan. I hope it's still in here.
No.
Come on, dude, find it. Here it is. Good, got it. Let's light this baby.
Yeah, good.
Okay, there we go. Jake, I think we lost him. Jake? Why are you killing us?
'Cause I hate Smosh.
We're the Meebles.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Can you at least untie me? Hello?